Welcome to Absolut Drinks with RIco. I'm RIco, and today we're going to show you one of my favorite summer tipples, perfect for a lazy afternoon. It's the Absolut Apeach iced tea. Don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom. Everything you want in a drink. You get those beautiful tannins from the iced tea, a nice little bit of sweetness and citrus, and then that peach flavor, pow, right through. So we're going to start with our glasses, and we're going to ice this up. We have one guy commenting on our channel right now, Vodka-Soul. This one's for you. We've got a real ice bucket. We've got a real ice bucket. We're gonna take our jigger, you remember this from last time, and we're gonna take the beautiful Absolut Apeach, which is a peach flavored vodka, exactly like our citrus vodkas, no added sugar, natural flavors. First thing, you know the magic number? 45. That's 45 ml of a peach going into each drink. We're making 2 drinks here. Never drink alone, always drink responsibly. We've got some pre-made iced tea. You want to be putting roughly around 150 mils in. See how I caught that? Professional, guys. But all you need to do really is just top these drinks right to the top. Give it a little stir. If you've got a bar spoon, use a bar spoon, but if you're at home, just a spoon will do. Next up, we're gonna garnish with my favorite garnish of all time, the lemon wheel. We're just gonna put 1, 2, and there we have it. The Absolut Apeach iced tea. My go-to summer drink, and with a little bit of Absolut, makes it even better.